By a dream, I was taken to where we had dwelled, no one ever saw. I dwelled and saw slight shores of ancient gods who died in the war. They were killed by fallen angels for dominion over the universe in the great cosmic war. They were eradicated and slayed in cold hearts with no honor of their supremacy. They were eviscerated brutally, agonized to forcefully kneel before the fallen sons. The prophecy of darkness conquering came to life, grieving me, melancholy tented by spirits. Behold, hope I saw in a valiant female god, wearing a garment of light pasted with hemming stars. Her dress was an anthem, a soothing song sounding in the step she took. Her feet were made out of crystal cloud. She wore the rainbow as her scarf, thunderstorm as her crown, lightning as her bracelet, rain as her necklace. She had her flaws too, just like any other god, but they existed in a frequency our bare eyes could not detect. I then visioned her skin, bear witness some written chronicles and oracles in her pristine skin, ranging streams of flamboyance flowing turbulently to the ocean of her divinity. Mapped skin cracks as if there were tectonic plates jolting the ground beneath her skin. There was no blood but honey. She had gold veins. Her knees were like a scroll with a prophecy of the sun caught shipping with the moon his skirt. Her heart was a playground of shooting stars, surfing rainbows to eternity. Her soul was a graveyard where ancient gods